If you want to know how I changed this wall to this wall, keep watching. So let's start. This is the previous color of my wall, which is lavender, and this is the bulb which I have drawn. As you can see, I would be just be putting some newspaper over it so it doesn't get any paint stains. So right now I'm just painting the whole wall with white color, as because I would be painting the bricks in yellow color, so it is more preferable to use a light shade. If you're using a dark shade also, it is also fine. It just completely depends upon your choice. So let's paint the whole wall white first. So after painting the whole wall white, it seems to be like this, as you can see. Now it's time to put some horizontal tapes, so let's do it quickly. After putting all the horizontal tapes, it seems to be like this. It's time to put the measurements for the brick. So for that, you just have to do like this. It's the most easiest way, and you just have to mark the both ends for the whole line. Now as you can see, this is the mark which I have made, and you just leave this line and put the exact mark on this line as well. So you just have to put the mark on one line, leave the another, and put the mark on another line. So for this you can just do this jugaad, like put the scale, and by this is the first mark which I have marked, leave this line and put the exact measurements on this line as well. So first you have to put the mark on this line, leave this line, put the mark on this line, leave this line, and you just have to do like this for the whole lines. So let's do it quickly. So after marking the measurements, we just have taped down with the must tape, and now it's time to put the must tape in between the bricks. So let's do it quickly. After putting the must tape in between the bricks, it seems to be like this. It completely gives the brick effect. So I would just zoom it so you can see clearly. So this is the brick, and you just have to tape in between the brick. It is very easy if you do in this manner, because if you do each line individually, it just create a lot of chaos. So after this, you just have to color the wall with your favorite color and let it dry for approximately 24 hours. Coloring the whole wall with yellow color, it seems to be like this, and I tried peeling some of the must tape, as you can see. Yeah, this. And now it's time to peel off every must tape on the wall. So after peeling off every must tape, it seems to be like this, and it is completely magnificent, and it is the same exact thing which I wanted in my room, and I am supremely happy like hell. And as you can see, like some of the bricks are uneven because I was the only person who was taping, so it is fine. So this is before and after of my room, and it is clearly visible that it just given a different look to my room, like completely. So I hope you would try this look at your home, and it is budget friendly and it is very easy to do. And for more details you can check out the description box. If you like this video, please give it a like and share with all your friends, and thank you for watching.